Hey Mama, welcome. Welcome to the Fussy Eating Solutions course that has been designed to help you get results. So if you are worrying about a fussy eater, you're in the right place. Welcome. When you purchase the course, it will look something like this. And this particular platform has been designed so you can keep scrolling down, and you'll be able to view all of the modules in there. So when you first get started, you literally can click on the module, view that module in there. And that one you probably would have had a chance to listen already. So you can click on next lesson. And that's an introduction where I make a few suggestions on how to get started. So I'd encourage for you to start there. We go through self reflection, and when you click on the individual notes there, and when you scroll down, you'll see that there are downloads available, and there's usually downloads in every single module. And some are cheat sheets, some are guides, some are recipes and ebooks. So make sure that you scroll down when you're in every single video or lesson to see what goodies there are for you. And this reflection helps you identify how your feeding style or what the degree of fussiness that your child has, and what are some of the ways that you can help them. So every time you finish watching a video, you can either press complete or press next. Here we talk about feeding styles and how your style may be impacting on your child's eating and what to do about it. Now, these videos are all about menu planning and how to engage with your child. But if you are vegetarian, don't worry, I've got you covered, and we've got some, I talk you through a vegan menu plan, and there's a download as well. And of course, tips about increasing exposure. And again, there are guides and downloads for you. Family meals for busy homes. You've got things on messy play. And I wouldn't skimp on this one if your child is older, because again, when you watch the video, you get ideas of how to make it relevant for older children. And there are, as always, links to podcast episodes and other downloads. And of course, how to cope with mealtime stress. And a favorite of a few mummies who have gone through this course now is how to talk to kids at the table. It's definitely some of the more popular videos, and every time you watch a video you can mark as complete. And then you just keep pressing next module. There's recipes here and an ebook with recipes in it. And again, when you read the recipes, you'll be able to see how you can personalize it for younger children as well. And then finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, how to eat out for the picky eater, or how to start enjoying having family meals without any stress and food battles at the table. So good luck, and I can't wait to meet you inside the course and inside the private Facebook group. Bye for now.